Do you remember your childhood days used to play with sand? This is so beautiful. This is another gift of Mother Nature to purify your skin. They usually use this sand as a body scrub in the big salons. And this is that another gift from nature. So warm. It will cure your mind, body, and soul. There is so much to know of this great universe and his beauty. You just have to have that soul inside to know the unknown, to overcome the unseen strength of Mother Nature. Then you will belong to the world, belong to the ocean, belong to the universe. Such a beautiful day in Kona Island. I'm so blessed to be here. And I want all of you to come visit Kona, one of the biggest islands in Hawaii. They call the land which is blessed by Mother Nature with love, purity, and mercy. Beautiful, beautiful, amazing, amazing, amazing. Simply blessed. Thank you, thank you, thank you.